information that I would like to share with you, being GRLA's too. So as of the moment kasi, the National Youth Commission is very active on creating programs for the youth. So maybe some of you know few programs from it. So for example, the Genesis. Who among you guys applied for the Genesis? Okay, so Genesis, so maybe meron dito nag-apply, are you alumni? No, Genesis alumni. So, for example, like Genesis is the Japan East Asia exchange of students. So this is a 10-day free visit in Japan. Okay, all expense paid by the Japanese government, and we cater more on training. For example, risk management based on what happened in the Tohoku region in Japan, so the tsunami last March. So in commemoration of that, so our Japanese counterparts created more programs, seminars, trainings for Filipinos, because we have a strong connection and friendship with them. So we are one of the major beneficiaries of the programs sponsored by Japan. So aside from the Genesis, we also have the SEA. I think the deadline is still going on, or if not, maybe last week lang siya natapos. So the SEA is a 2-month ASEAN cruise. So we visit the 10 ASEAN countries: Thailand, Myanmar, Laos, Malaysia, Singapore, and also Philippines. Okay? So also sponsored by Japan, ASEAN +1, so plus Japan. So for free din po ito. So wala po kayong babayaran. So I encourage each and every one of you to kindly apply for these programs. Okay? And aside from that, hindi ko po alam, I heard yung nagsalita kanina, si Ma'am galing ng Kamsur, right? It's Tayo Camp, if I'm not mistaken. And simultaneously, we have the National Youth Parliament also in Naga City. I think nag-win sila doon ng Tayo Camp. So that's also one of the programs, major programs of the National Youth Commission. So it's like a congress. You create policies and resolutions that you will hand to the president. Okay, so ganun siya. So it's a congress time. So I highly encourage you guys to apply. Kasi as of the moment, yung mga applications na nare-receive namin is pare-parehong tao lang. So for us, it's okay because they're really good. They're really good. Pero we want to open the opportunity to the wider community. There's a lot of beauty in the Philippines, and I believe GRLAs are the best of the best. Alright? So I would like you guys to apply. So actually, as of the moment, we have the current 14th International Youth
Oh, tanong ko sa inyo, sino gusto pumunta sa Japan? Okay. Sino gusto pumunta sa Malaysia? Okay, how about Indonesia? So, we're going to be in touch with Maan. Okay, and Maan will be coordinating with GRF on some information geared para sa inyo. So, watch out for announcements on the page. Alam ba niyo what page I'm talking about? Okay, for the first-timers, we're talking about the Jerry Rojas Leadership Awardees page. Okay, lahat po ng announcements of events and scholarships come out on that page. So, i-like niyo yun sa Facebook. Alright. I have another announcement for your information. This is a pre-announcement. Okay. We are working out a tie-up with Informatics. Okay? So, hindi po na-finalize yung details. It will be finalized in the next few days. Pero ngayon pa lang, ina-announce ko na sa inyo, we will have 10 full 4-year scholarships available to GRLAs. Okay? Ito po ay available from Informatics in 4 different campuses only, which are in Quezon City and Cainta. Okay? So, dun po sa inyo na hindi, wala pa kayong school, na you have not chosen a school, or you know you have a GRLA who is interested in IT courses or computer-aided design, also in accounting, there are going to be 10 scholarships available, full 4-year scholarships. Okay? Aside from this, please watch out for announcements on the page. For those of you who want to take diploma courses like CAD/CAM or animation or computer technician, programming, computerized bookkeeping, network technology, mga courses po na ganun, basta GRLA kayo, you will be qualified for a discount. Please come pass by the office to get the 50% discount, okay? If you do not qualify for the scholarship because you're already enrolled somewhere else, but you would like to avail of the discount, please come to the office and we will have discounts for you. This will be redeemable at 6 campuses of Informatics. Diliman, Cainta, Fairview, SM City Fairview, SM City Marikina, and SM City North EDSA Informatics. So you will have a 50% discount automatic for the short courses, basta GRLA kayo. Plus there are 10 full 4-year scholarships available. So please watch out for the announcements on the page. This will be applicable for May enrollment. Ito po 2012. So kung may kilala kayo na GRLA na naghahanap pa ng scholarship, this will be available by this month. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Liza. Okay, some announcements na, especially for sa mga baguhan. Aside from the camp, which is happening on May 19 and 20, there is an upcoming event next week. Next week ba? Tama ba? Next week. On Sunday, May 13, all GRLAs will be given 2 tickets each to Legends of the Dragon for free. Okay, so if hindi pa kailangan makapag-register, deadline yata tonight. So please register with Reynald. Please register agad-agad kay Reynald ngayon para magpalista kayo for your 2 tickets. The show is gonna be on Sunday, May 13. Okay, at 7 p.m. Okay? So if you'd like to mag-meet up kayo, mag-makdo kayo before the show with your fellow GRLAs, it's gonna be fun. Okay? Another thing, ano ba? Okay, Bacolod Camp is happening also next week na ba? We will announce kung matutuloy siya by next week. We're still getting word from the people from Negros Occidental. Okay? The next event that we are encouraging you to join also is Brigada Escuela. It's gonna happen May 21, 23, and 25. 24? Sorry, May 21, 23, and 24. On the 24th, lahat ng mga nag-volunteer sa Brigada will be treated to a date again here. Magkikita-kita tayo ulit dito para magkaroon ng another gathering and another reunion of all those who volunteer for Brigada. Next. Ano ba? Okay. We also